Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. Do your feet or sole of your feet ache after a long day? In just 2 minutes, I'll show you a simple wall exercise that can melt away the pain. All you need is a simple ball like this. Let's get started. Place the ball under your foot, start from your heel and move towards your toes. Applying gentle pressure, slowly roll your foot back and forth over the ball. Place the ball when you find a painful point, pause for a moment and apply a bit more pressure. Hold it there for a few seconds, allowing the soft tissues to relax and release. When you find a pain, keep rolling the ball for about 1 to 2 minutes per foot. You can do this while sitting or standing, whatever feels more comfortable for you. Take your time with this step. You don't need to rush. Feel the ball working through the entire arch of your foot. This simple exercise can do wonders for you in relieving foot pain, improving circulation, helping with plantar fasciitis. Just a few minutes a day can make a big difference in how your feet feel. Remember to be consistent and make this part of your daily routine. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. See you next time.